The winter update for Insta360 X5 is finally here, bringing lots of features to improve your experience with your Insta360 X5. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Insta360 X5 to the latest winter update of 2025 to get all of these new features on your device. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, turn on Bluetooth and location on your smartphone. After that, launch the Insta360 app. Then at the bottom right corner, tap on the Me button. Then on the next screen, under the device setting, you will find Connect Device option. Just tap on Connect. It will start searching for your Insta360 X5. Make sure that it is turned on. Then you will get a pop-up on your smartphone screen. Once your Insta360 X5 is detected, a connect button will appear on the smartphone screen. Just tap on it. After that, a pop-up will come to give the permission for the Wi-Fi network. Just tap on allow. After that, on the next screen, just tap on connect. And then your Insta360 X5 will be connected with your Insta360 smartphone application. Once it is connected, by default, the album of your X5 will appear on smartphone application. Now, once again, you have to go to the Me section by tapping on the bottom right corner button. Now, here you will find an option called Device Firmware Info in the device setting. Just tap on it, and then on the next screen, tap on the first option showing the firmware version. Then it will start detecting whether any software update is available for your Insta360 X5 or not. And as you can see, the winter update is available for my Insta360 X5 here. You can have a look on all of the new features that this particular software update is going to bring by having a look at the changelog. Once you are done with that, just tap on update button and the downloading of the software package will be started. You can also see the progress on the screen of your X5. So the software update process is completed. Now you can tap on the tap to connect to camera button and your device will be connected with your smartphone application one more time. And now if you go to the firmware version one more time, you can see this is the latest software update installed on your Insta360 X5. And now if you switch off your X5, then you will get this new flash screen showing the Insta360 X5 winter update logo before turning off the device. So this is how you can download and install the winter update of 2025 on your Insta360 X5 to get all of the latest software based features on your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.